Hello, children. My name is Miss Tammy, and today we're going to do a science experiment. You need a balloon, you need a pie plate, maybe even a plate would be fine, and you need some sort of seasoning that's a little bit flaky. This is called oregano leaves, so they're a little bit big, so we want some of that. I also had something called fennel seed. If you have some coarse ground pepper, that also works. I'm going to sprinkle those. Now, the next part is you're going to blow up your balloon. Getting bigger. A little more. Now, you might want to ask your mom or dad to tie this off for you, or a big brother or a big sister, because it will be hard to keep it tight if you try and hold it. Now, the next thing we're going to do is this part's pretty funny. You're going to actually rub your hair with your balloon. And what happens is it makes something called static electricity. So I'm going to count to 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think I'm going to do some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now, when I take it off my head, I have to put that same spot over the plate. So here it goes. I hear this noise. I hear tink, 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 and look. It attracted, it went right onto my balloon. The seeds that were in the dish stuck to my balloon because of static electricity. Now, I wonder if we try something else. What about sprinkles? Do you think it'll work with sprinkles? Let's try. So I'm going to put some pink sprinkles in my plate. And we're going to do it again. Okay, I'm going to put the smiley face part on my hair. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go a little more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did my hair stick up? It did kind of. Now, we're going to see. Will it? Now the pink, let's see. Not too much pink. If you look really close, there's like 1 or 2 specks of pink. But the pink, I think maybe the pink is too heavy. Do you think that might be why? So the pink is just a little bit heavier than the oregano flakes. But when we did the oregano flakes and it stuck, that is called static electricity. The other fun thing about this experiment is just watching your hair stick up. Let's see if I can make my hair stick up. Woo! That's the fun part. All right, I've got one more experiment for you today. I have a cup. I have some water, not all the way to the top, a little bit low. And I have a raw egg. It's not been cooked yet. And if you hold it, you'll see it feels pretty heavy. Now, the hypothesis is our guess. If I put the egg in here, do you think it will float or sink? Well, my hypothesis, it's pretty heavy. I'm thinking it's going to sink. So I'm going to be gentle. I'm not going to let it go real hard because I don't want it to crack. It went right to the bottom. You can see that. My hypothesis is correct. That egg's pretty heavy, and it sunk. But is there anything else I can do that would make it float? Well, I heard about an idea. The idea is salt. You take salt. This time I took a 1/4 cup of salt because I have a small cup. If you have a bigger cup, probably more salt. And I'm going to pour it into the water and stir, and stir, and stir, and stir. and stir and stir and stir. So this just looks like a cup of water still. Has salt in it. Is that going to make any difference for the egg? It's the same egg, still pretty heavy. Is this going to help it to float? Let's find out. What do you think? What's your hypothesis? Is it going to float or sink in the salty water? Let's see. Now, I'm going to lift my camera up so you can see that the egg is floating. There it is. It's floating on top. Wow, I didn't know salt could do that. The salt caused the egg to be more light. And the word is buoyant, so that it could float. Well, that's all the science for today. You guys have fun, and maybe you can try some of these experiments. Bye-bye.